A 14-day Indo-Bangladesh Joint Military Training Service, Sampriti 9, commenced at Umrao in Meghalaya's Ribhoi district from February 3rd to 16 February 2020. The exercise is held as part of the ongoing Indo-Bangladesh Defence Corporation, a joint military training service, Sampriti 9. A statement released from the Defence Ministry said, Exercise Sampriti is an important bilateral defence cooperation endeavour between India and Bangladesh and will be the 9th edition of the exercise, which is hosted alternately by both countries. The joint military exercise aims to strengthen military cooperation in counter-terrorism environment stimulated under the UN Charter. During the joint military exercise, a command post exercise and a field training exercise will be conducted. For both the CPX and FTX, a scenario where both nations are working together in a counter-terrorism environment will be simulated under the UN Charter. The FTX curriculum is progressively planned where the participants will be initially get familiar with each other's organizational structure and tactical drills. Subsequently, joint tactical exercise will be conducted wherein the battle drills of both the armies will be practiced. The training will culminate with a final validations exercise in which troops of both armies will jointly practice a counter-terrorist operations in a controlled and simulated environment. According to the statement, in addition to understand each other at tactical level, greater cultural understanding will be emphasized to strengthen military trust and cooperations between two nations. Umrao in Meghalaya is known to have been the venue of several such joint military exercises. Earlier in December 2019, India and China had an 8-day bilateral exercise, Hand in Hand 2019 at Umrao. In September 2019, India had conducted a joint military exercise with Thailand as well. The Indian Army and Royal Thailand Army had conducted a 14-day joint military exercise, Maitri 2019. Bureau Report.